Hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing about an age-old question that is asked in interviews, which is what is the difference between var, let and const. And don't let this question fool you, it's not that easy, and we'll be going over what mistakes usually candidates make while answering this question, and we'll also see what's the right approach to it. Let's move on. So let's discuss about the mistakes first. Candidates usually start answering this question in such a fashion. They'll say that you cannot redeclare let variables using the same name, but you can actually redeclare var variables using the same name. And for const, they'll usually mention that you cannot reassign a value to a const variable once initialized. They'll also try to mention that let and const variables are block scope, which is fine, acceptable answers, but not what an interviewer is looking out for. Let's see what's the correct approach to answer this question. So answering an interview question is like writing an essay. It should have an appropriate heading followed by a comprehensive body. So let's see what should be the heading of this question. From my perspective, the correct way to start off this question is by mentioning following points. Point number 1. Var variables are hoisted and their declarations move to the top of the current lexical scope. Point number 2. Let and const variables are also hoisted but are part of temporal dead zone of the current block scope. Until initialization, any reference to that variable inside the same block will result into a reference error. Point number 3. Let and const variables are block scoped and var variables are functional scoped. So why this heading? See, this question is not aimed to discuss about the characteristics of var, let and const, which candidates usually mention in the beginning. It's a very vast question branching into following areas. Scoping, both lexical and block. This topic is enough to confuse even the veterans of JavaScript. Second, hoisting. The snippets that are actually given to candidates pertaining to hoisting are vicious. And thirdly, temporal dead zone. Easy and simple topic but misunderstood and ignored. In short, interviewer wants to check whether the candidate knows about the fundamental concepts, which is the base of JavaScript. By starting off your answer using the above heading, interviewer gets an idea that this candidate has thorough understanding of fundamental concepts, and then my friends, the real interview will start. So what about the body of the paragraph? Well, to create the body, the interviewer himself will help you out. He will discuss about all the topics mentioned and forward you snippets, ask you outputs, discuss about execution context, closures, etc. And you should be ready for any snippet that might be fired at you. So that's it guys, just wanted to share my experience with interviewers and candidates and what I found most helpful while answering these questions. Even though there are a plethora of materials available online, I would be glad to discuss all the above concepts with different code snippets and thorough explanation to help you understand. Let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video with the next interview question and how to approach it. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe. Also, please do write suggestions in the comment section on how to improve my content. It will be the most helpful thing that you can do for me. Thank you.